Okay, so we're down in my closet downstairs. Much like that one upstairs, it has a bathroom sink type of thing. However, this one was plumbed, so it's got some really cool fixtures. These are probably worth some money. And it's got the marble. I really don't need the marble. These drawers are so small. I mean, ugh, I don't know what that is, but I mean, what do you put in there? 3 pairs of socks? So, I don't know. I might take the whole thing out. I gotta get a closet rod in here or something. I'd like to do them all. Just do 2 short ones here. That way you can still use those are nice built-ins. Those are pretty deep. And everything needs a fresh coat of paint, of course. So, and again, like I was saying, there's steel wool stuffed everywhere. So she knew about mice. And this was taped up too. But I don't see any access under there actually. But we'll see. So I already did the marble. May have been glued at one point, but I think it's just gonna come off. Come with me. And then that's all plaster. I can paint that. I can get a razor blade in there. Or screwdriver. Oh, that's heavy, surprisingly. Good stuff. Let's go find a place for this stuff. Try to get you in here. See what we're dealing with. So these pipes don't go anywhere in the basement. They've been disconnected a long time ago. Back when it was steam. This will be the down pipe. Do I want to get those up top or? No, I think I just want to get them right here. They're so easy to bend. I think they're just solid lead. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's twisting. So funny. Let's see. I'll let it go up. Oh, right there. Do I want to get in there and do that? What is that? Let's see if we can just. Oh, it's just twisting. It's not even spinning up top. It's just twisting. Oh boy. All right, let's make a plan here. Now we gotta get up there. Maybe those will come off easier. And then this should just pop out like the other one did. Just took the drawer out and that was real easy. That's the way to get at that sucker. And it's really cracked it loose. And I think I gotta loosen that top nut to get the fixture out. Alright, get those out of the way. I got this one fixture loose. How cool is that? I bet that would clean up a real nice slack. I think I'm just going to get this sink out of the way before I do the next one. I have this nice rubber mat they made. Oh, okay. I was trying to pop it up, but the marble's going to come next. Yeah, maybe I can just do it all in one big pry bar. Okay. Okay, had to do the other fixture so that I could make that really loud noise on the microphone because it was sandwiching between the plywood. Oh, so that's just a chain. I was thinking, okay, cool. Hey, cool. I'm always looking for old, anything. Old dime, penny, some signature. But I haven't seen anything yet. Oh, that's crabs. I think this is gonna fall. Ooh, it's probably good 50 pounds. And what if remember in the basement, these are just should be able to come right up, yeah. I don't know about these ones though. Do they come right up? What is there? There might be something down there. Oh, this one's coming. Yeah, there might be fittings on the bottom. It's gonna be the easiest way to do this. Because the hole is just big enough for the pipe. I just cut these. Alright, look downstairs. We got maybe like six inches to drop. So if I cut as low as possible, it should clear. Then it could be taken out. See if we got enough battery. I don't think that's lead. He's cutting like butter. Ooh, it's heavy. Look at how thick that stuff is. Jesus. And heavy. That'll get me some good core money. I'm recycling everything. There's tons of steam pipe in the basement. Like, I should be able to get some good money. This wall. Maybe it's just wedged. It should fall. All this crap right down in the basement. And I'm definitely gonna have to tape this up. Keep out the rhododendrons. Let's see while I got the camera what this is back here. There's like a rag. It's got like a dead animal in it. What is it? Do I dare find out? Yeah, why not? Some old gym sock. Rag from when they're doing staining, maybe. Boy, filming in tight quarters here. All right, just gonna give it a quick vac. Hey, Harbor Freight, could you do better than a 3-foot hose so the thing doesn't tip over every 5 minutes? All right, nothing a little Gorilla Tape can't fix. So for now, it'll measure this up for, I guess, got some wood here, but these were for the shelves. I think these, it's probably wide enough actually, but My dad's gonna make one for the top, I think, so could have him do something similar here. And what if, you know, do like an overhang so you hit your head when you're getting stuff? I don't know, something. Or do I get rid of this altogether? I don't know. What do you guys think? It's kind of cool. Back in the closet. Not coming out of the closet. Hey-o! So I decided this has got to go. This is not going to work for me. Those small drawers. I need to get some closet space, like hanging. So if I did a rod all the way across, you can hang stuff here, but then you're blocking the drawers. So I think I'm just going to do 2 short rods, one high, one low. And but I can't get this out one piece. Just can't make the turn. So I think I got to pop this front off. But looking at this craftsmanship, this thing was built right in there, solid. Look at where it was notched. This little, I'll get the better light, and that trim piece there. It sat right next to that. This thing was built in place, I assume. And this was no drill hole there. I'm guessing hand chiseled. And then these marks, is this could be saw, just like a saw mark to cut out somewhat of a circle. And that likes, you know, to get, I don't know if you can tell, this is at an angle. Got done with a just hammer and chisel. Pretty good, man. This is how they built stuff back then. Really nice. For the carpentry nerds like myself. Freaking nails, man. They were solid. So the front was just nailed so that these are, what do you call that? Mortise and tenon joints to hold the front on. Oh, that's. And I keep looking for, you know, this was later on in the century, 1900s, when people put their names on everything, or, you know, who built stuff. Back then, they didn't care. I think it was the next wave of immigrants. Probably the Italians. We need credit for everything we do. All right, well, paint is drying upstairs. I've taken this all out. I think I showed some video of that. I'll do some patching there. I caulked just the cracks just to keep insects out. But I also got this big hole over here. I'm guessing it was a closet rod, went all the way through, but that's going right into the darkness. That's where the mice have been hanging out. I've been hearing mice at night, so quite loud. Hopefully it's just mice, not squirrels, but I got an inspection camera. Let's see if we can see anything. I mixed up some more patch and seal. I stuffed that steel wool in there. We'll use that as a bonding. Yeah, actually it might work because metal, I don't know, might make it stiffer. We should probably do that little corner there and that guy over there. And then we're going to do closet rods this way instead. All right, that's enough of that. Ba, 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 ba. It's a closet, okay? It doesn't have to look that good. That'll seal up. I think we'll do a coat of paint in here and then get some closet rods. Did I say that enough times? I feel like I've said it 15 times. All right, let's go pack the paint. Loud over the music playing in the other room, but I stripped all the stuff there and stripped all the hardware there. Yeah, we gotta paint this. I gotta paint this. Maybe we'll do it today. I got that paint upstairs. All right, painted the closet. Didn't really record. It's too small in here. Good friends, English guys, all came to America. Lived in LA. They were painters. Always said, light a candle. That'll get rid of the odor. I assume it just absorbs all the fumes and burns it off, right? I don't know. I don't think it's just covering it up. And then I got the drawers going over here because it's raining. I'll have to smell those later. Oh well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I started framing up. Wow, what an echo in here for my closet. I'm going to do a couple closet rods. It's going to be one way up and then one down, whatever height it's going to be. Then I got to figure out something to do with this light. Smash into that freshly painted. So yeah, I'm just a couple of 1x3s I picked up. Picked up these metal closet rods. The wood one was like $500. That's an exaggeration, believe it or not. And yeah, I've just got some wood screws go right into the plaster. Trying to hit lath, which is, and of course this side I hit the gap, so I had to drill a hole below it to hit a piece of wood, which is the lath. You get the plaster, the lath, and then all that good stuff. This side's nice and tight. I did pilot hole the other side, but not this one. Just kind of winging it. Should pilot hole so you don't split the wood. But. Yeah, see that hit nothing there? So I just gotta go a little bit lower. Wood probably doesn't split because it's not good wood. Hey, you hear that? Yeah, it sucked right in. Good. And I'm going, these are like 17 inches, but I used my brain and decided to go 20 inches because, sometimes coats are big and baggy and all that, so. Might work out. You guys are interrupting my tunes, I have to keep muting it. Jeez. I'm gonna go with the very precise. I'm gonna use these long screws again, so I can maybe grab a piece of lath, because this is gonna be heavy. You don't realize how heavy clothes are. Jesus. This is gonna be up top. Good. Good. Let's go up a little bit. Is that higher? Is that lower? Yeah. All right, cool. So that'll be 1/2 done, and I just have a little set screw that goes right there. Do the same precise measurement on the other side. And where is there it is. Yeah, and that's that. Did I just screw up here? These all standard? Am I gonna hit? We'll see. All right, this is the lower one. This is gonna go down lower. Let's figure out where to put that one now. Jeez, thought I measured this. Like, yeah, this will work. So these are 2 dress shirts. They're about the longest thing in my wardrobe. Yeah, I think that'll be all right. I mean, some of the stuff might drag. If we put a jacket here, I don't think it'll work. But I'll keep jackets in another closet. So right about there. But I definitely need to put some more screws in this. Secure the heavy load that's coming film in here. So yeah, there we go. That's 2 poles secured. I gotta move this light because that's not gonna happen. That's gonna be like fire hazard. Wow. Incandescent bulb. Maybe I'll just do something. I like to just get an LED, tap into that wiring, do like an LED strip or something, or even this way. Tuck it up. Actually, you tuck it way up here. You don't even see it. Lighting is best not seen. That's so annoying. You know? Oh, much better. All right, that's my closet, and I'm sticking to it.